In the United States, one small number plays a big role in everyday financial decisions. It's not your salary, it's not your savings, it's a three-digit number called a credit score. Hello everyone, welcome to the Finance Education USA YouTube channel. A credit score is a number that helps lenders understand how responsibly someone has managed credit in the past. In the US, this number usually falls between 300 and 850. A higher score generally means a person has a history of paying bills on time and managing credit carefully. This system exists to create trust between borrowers and lenders in America. Credit scores are often considered during major financial decisions. Examples include applying for a loan or credit card, renting an apartment, financing a car, setting interest rates. It doesn't guarantee approval or rejection, but it strongly influences the options available. Credit scores are usually grouped into ranges: 300 to 579. Lower range, 580 to 69. Fair range, 69. 739. Good range, 740 to 790. 9. Very good range, 800 and 850. Excellent range. Higher ranges often come with better interest rates and more flexible terms. Several factors are commonly used to calculate a credit score: payment history, paying bills on time, credit usage, how much credit is used compared to limits. Length of credit history. Older accounts help credit variety, different types of credit. Recent applications, too many applications in a short time. Together, these factors paint a picture of financial behavior over time. Some commonly recommended habits include paying bills on time, keeping credit usage low, avoiding unnecessary credit applications, monitoring credit reports for accuracy. These habits can support long-term financial stability. In America, this three-digit number doesn't define a person, but it does influence many financial opportunities. If you enjoy simple explanations about how money works in the US, consider subscribe to Finance Explain USA channel for more educational content. This content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice.